Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, now do you want to start up a business but you have little capital and no shop? Well, I got you. So follow on properly and don't miss a thing. Okay, now guys, I'm making sweet gonja or plantain crisps for business, step by step. Yes, so first draw out a small budget for your business. Yes, so my budget was 10,000 for plantain. Please note that the plantain used in this video is not 10,000. The one for 10,000 is way more than this. So 10,000 plantain or gonja, 1 liter of cooking oil, and it's 8,000. Yes, so yes, our wrapping bag or packaging bag is 5,000. Also note that the wrapping bag for 5,000 makes a lot more bags of gonja, not just the ones in the video. Okay guys, now that you have your ingredients, you're going to decide whether to make sweet crisps or salty crisps. Now you want sweet crisps, please wait for the plantain or gonja to be a bit yellow. Yes, and if you want salty ones, you can use the green plantain, the green gonja. It's going to come out so nice. Okay guys, so now you cut your gonja into small sizes, as you can see there. Add them in hot oil and cook on a medium-high heat. So yes, our gonja is going to come out crispy and looking nice like that. So guys, now that you're finished frying your gonja, please wrap it immediately when it cools, because you don't want it to become too stale. Yes, now we're going to wrap it immediately. As you can see, I have my candle there. That's the one I'm going to use for sealing. Yes, add in your gonja in there in the wrap or packaging bags and seal it with a candle. And guys, don't worry about this gonja. It is on high demand. And currently there are not many people doing it, so yes, you are in luck. Now please check the description for the prices of all these things. As I have told you, please check your description. Yes guys, so far our prices are 10,000 for gonja, 8,000 for 1 liter of oil, 5,000 for wrapping paper, and 500 for our candle. Yes, how much is that guys? This is affordable. You can start this with very little capital and you can do it at home. So after wrapping it properly, you're going to take it to the shops and to the supermarkets, and yes, trust me, they are going to receive you, and you are going to sell this 1,500 here in Uganda guys. It's 1,500 for a bag like this. Yes, so my lovely people, if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section. Please ask me what you don't get here, and I am going to explain. Yes. Yeah, so for my new subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you guys. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please come back for another recipe. Thank you. God bless you all.